Good morning. All right, we're talking about sinuses today. So sinus pressure, if you have seasonal or environmental sinus pressure, this is going to be such a helpful routine for you, especially since we're going into the winter months. This is going to be nice, and I actually already have some sinus pressure, so I'm excited about this one. So a good tip is you can stick your Gua Sha stone in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and make it cool, and that will actually feel really nice. You can also, add your serum or your oils that you've been using on your face for your Gua Sha routine. You can also add, really beneficial to add oils that are good for sinus pressure, like helichrysum, that's the best one. Another one would be lavender or frankincense, cardamom. You can even use breathe, but be careful that you don't get it too close to your eyes because it will burn. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take the sculpted edge of our stone, and we're just going to go into the cavity area and the sinus cavity area and just going to massage right there. Just give it a good, not too much pressure, but just right there. And then we're going to go up under the cheekbone here in this cavity. And I'm putting it right here and just massaging it right here. And you want to make sure that you do both sides. I'm going to flip it actually, like this. And get this side too. And just 3 to 5 times. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the flat edge and I'm going to gently anchor at my nose, and I'm going to gently take it down and then drain. So just gently, we're just draining here. That's it. So be sure to drink lots of water and to do the other side.